You searched how to buy shares of Ingenia Communities Group, a company operating holiday parks and manufactured home communities in Australia, listed on CBOE AUS under the ticker INA.ASX. This video is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice. To buy INA.ASX, you need a brokerage account, and we'll use eToro as an example to show the steps. After signing up, you must verify your account with an identity document and add funds to trade. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker INA.ASX to locate the correct listing. Then select the result that matches Ingenia Communities Group. On the stock page, review the company overview and the price chart to confirm it's the right asset. Make sure the listing shows CBOE AUS and the ticker INA.ASX before proceeding. Click Buy or Trade, enter the amount you want to invest, review fees and order details, then confirm the order. If the market is closed, the order may execute when it reopens, and if you have insufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before completing the purchase. Your new position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. A link to eToro is provided in the description if you want to follow the same steps.